What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're in the 335 and we're gonna go pick up some parts off Marketplace. It's actually a really good deal. I'll show y'all when I get there, but it's a blow-off valve and a charge pipe already both together, which is sick. I'll show you when I get it, if I end up getting it real quick. So yeah, we'll cut to that and we'll be installing it after that, getting some sound clips. And I think after that, we're gonna go cruise with the bros later tonight, so yeah. Yeah, what is that? Anybody know what that is? Okay, got ourselves. Here it is. Boom. Where's it at? Evolution Raceworks charge pipe. Tile blow-off valve. Let's go, baby. Gonna throw this Johnny. Oh, shit! There she blows. Stock charge pipe. You gotta remove fucking everything to get to it. Sick. Alright, so we gotta make a parts store run. We gotta get a 1/4-inch adapter to an 1/8, because this hose and the end of the blow-off valve is bigger, and then we gotta get a longer hose. And we gotta get some plugs for these little fuckers right here. So we'll go, baby. Got everything. Our assortment of items. This should be good. Should be what we need right here. Shout out to Miners and O'Reilly's. Oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah, these are snug as a bug. Okay, old charge pipe out. Got some oil in it. That's cool. Now time to put this new one on. Right here. Boom. Oh yeah, we got her all in there. Now we gotta put all this shit back in. Okay, it's time. We got that bitch in there. Turn on the car and see how it sounds. Ignore the wastegate rattle, but
feel it.
Oh yeah, that bitch sneezing, bruh. Bro, that shit's sneezing. Alright, we're gonna get some outside clips because I don't think you can hear it in the car. I don't know how well you could have heard that in the outside clips, but like... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, that John's sneezing.
Yeah.
That was sneezing. I think that was worth our effort and time and money and stress. Yeah, yeah. Little Sunday install. After a long, hard day at work, bless up with the McDonald. Oh yeah. Super cold start. Gonna wake the neighborhood up. Now that shit quiet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We about to cruise. Bro, he just turned the car on. Okay, we're currently outside, recording live. Recording live from outside. Oh yeah. What a beautiful day to be behind the wheel of an automobile. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
See, I could have had like,
We outside. We outside.
things like.
Okay, we got a biker homie tagging along. Got a sicko mode. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, that handles pretty good. Oh, dude, he's scared. No, he's gonna touch it. Oh my god. Go. Yeah, Alright guys, we live where you vacation. Oh yeah. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Bruh. Bro, that thing is shitting. Like dead ass shitting. Golly. I love your car. What do you do for a living?
Insurance scams.
Bro, this motherfucker's fast, dude. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Hey, the brakes work too. Now we leave. It's where we all split ways, unfortunately. Alright, well that's it for today's festivities. As far as what's next for this video, I'm not too sure. Probably more just messing around with the homies and whatnot. And maybe some other mods for the 335. I'm not too sure yet. But we will get there when we get there. Oh, that's a big spider. I was driving it and I heard a little pop noise. Appears that might have been why. Dang, I gotta resecure that Johnny right now. Also, this sensor right here has been absolutely bugging. I keep saying my hood is open. I tried taping it down, but that obviously didn't last very long, did it? Well, I managed to get the charge pipe on. I'm assuming it's good, but I gotta deal with this from when I did the suspension. So yeah, as you can see, it's back on. This hose clamp is a little suspicious, though, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know that I trust its integrity, but, well, I don't know what else to do. If it breaks again, then I'm just gonna get a new one. But for now, it's good. It's day 3 of this video. I'm gonna give this car a wash. And the 335, there's a mod I saw. It's pretty cheap. I mean, it's free, really, on the Golf Tee mod. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. You literally just unplug the vacuum hose for the exhaust valve and plug it with a Golf Tee or whatever. It should be louder. So I'm gonna get a before clip and an after clip. See what it sounds like on startup. Literally just take out this little fucker right here. Boom. Now you stick something up in there. Damn, this shit's dirty. Okay, then you just stick something up in there and it's good, I guess. Okay, I don't know that there was any difference in those clips. I don't think there was, but I don't know. It took me 30 seconds. It's no big deal, but yeah, we're gonna be cruising with the bros again later, I think. So probably what'll proceed this. We also got a sick little mod for the 540 here. Some Dynan valve stem caps. Boom, check it out. Got a race car now. All right, we're headed out now to meet up with the bros. We're gonna pick up Nick. He's gonna be my passenger princess for today. Rattles. I love rattles. Like, that's louder. That's gotta be a little louder. What the hell is this?
No way, it's not.
Bro, it has tiny little Brembos. Oh, it's got OZs on there? Bro, it's got OZs on there.
No.
That's fire. And Hoosiers.
Hoosiers, yeah.
Yep. We're gonna go cruise here in a sec. We got the Miata. Let's go. We're gonna be cruising with our friends in our cars now.
We got friends. We got friends.
That's a little nicer. Tell me why that doesn't sound that bad. Okay, chat, we live where you vacation. Fun fact, check it out.
Got the in and out. Got the in and out.
Let's see, chat, can we hear it? Okay, now we on the curvy road. Let's go. He's about to beat us all.
Welcome to Santa Margarita.
Woohoo! Yeah! Santa Margarita, dude. Let's go.
This is our next destination right here.
Alright,
The
get in the way.
58.
That sign said Mexico on it.
It did say Mexico.
That's where we're going. This part of the road's chalk.
See how good these cup holders work.
Yeah, seriously, they're actually pretty good. Pretty good.
Dude, this road gets scary though.
Yeah, like, yeah, see that? See that shit? Alright, we'll let Seth go.
Let's see.
Oh, hey dude, this part's sketch. Oh, traction. Well, the traction cuts power. It's really annoying. Oh, okay, Seth. Okay, Seth. He did just say how his brakes were cooked.
Dude, yeah, he scares me with his brakes.
Oh,
This is the scary section.
I smell his brakes bad. Oh my god, Seth. Oh. 3.5.
Yeah.
Sick. Oh my god, this was crazy. Oh my god, Seth. Bro, fucking Seth, dude. Bro, he's something else. Bro, you know what? He fucking kill himself. Oh my god, dude. Okay, this car handles really good now.
It does,
These shocks.
dude. Dude, it feels great.
If you guys haven't seen the last video, oh fuck. Bro, his
I don't
brakes
know.
are bad.
Dude, yeah.
His
I'm-
brakes are bad.
Honestly, I'm glad we didn't go into this all hot because this is the worst part.
Oh, yeah.
This is where you crash, dude. Thank you.
Do the limiter. Oh, Seth, no, don't do it, Seth. He has good tires. At least there's that. Hey, the 540's keeping up though. Oh.
say though, the cup holders are faring very well.
The cup holders are good. I told you. I told you. These corners are scary.
Dude, yeah, be careful.
Right here?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh my god, dude, his brakes are cooked! Oh my gosh. And he's also just chilling at 6 Oh no. That was at 6.
A deer.
Look at him, look at him.
Oh!
Look at that.
Oh, 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 oh!
What? I don't know what to do. I'm like, no spot for me. I guess I'll reverse.
Oh, brakes are done.
Well, I can smell them, John.
I know my brakes are fucking.
Oh, what's going on over here? You smell some?
Right here? Nah, I'm just smell check.
Oh, yeah, the brakes are cooked on this Brett's car. This looks like the Travis Scott cover.
Just found it.
What is that,
I
dude?
pulled up on this thing.
You just ripped it with us in that? Oh, there's a truck. Hey, truck coming. Skating on the toge and scootering on the toge. Damn, first she and cat in the head. Let's go, bruh. Okay. I'm seeing the vision.
Ooh.
I am most definitely seeing the vision.
Alright, let's see if the Miata walks us in the corners. He's quick. Oh, he's quick. Nice quick.
I don't know, we'll do it too.
Oh,
If I still had stock suspension, we would not be doing this right now. It was pretty sketch.
dude, yeah, no way.
Oh, you know what it is? It's like
Oh my- oh my God.
I had to.
Oh, that thing takes corners like crazy.
Yeah, bro. Holy shit.
Oh, chirp on second.
Yeah.
This is where I almost crashed.
Yeah, probably where we're gonna crash.
Oh!
What was that, dude? It's a fucking crater, dude.
The crater, dude.
Yeah, this corner.
I locked up.
No power. Low RPM. This fucker.
Then I drifted the next corner.
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh my
That was
God.
scary. That was scary. Okay, you chill. Hey, we saved it.
Yeah.
But the wheel was all the way right.
Bro.
I was going straight.
Stop. Oh my
I'll be
God.
a man and leave that clip in. Admit to my wrongs. I understand. Chat, I understand.
Oh,
I would love a GoPro stuck to the back of this car.
dude, I know.
Oh, this car is so good. It has a little bit to be worked out. 18s with better tires and sway bars.
Yeah, exactly. Dude, he screams.
Oh my God. Oh! Oh, I'm gonna get dusted. Dude, that was sick. Alright, we're gonna go pick up this fool's car. Then we're gonna go and we're gonna go.
Do something.
We're gonna go. That's yeah, I don't know. I don't either. Once again, back outside. Going back to the port. Oh yeah, I was pulling, bro. He let off. Yeah. Squat it up. You can't even see.
I'm on it.
Wait, try the light on it. Try the light on it.
Come on.
Bro, heated wheel, massage seat. Bro, we're getting
butt massages.
butt massages as we speak. Oh, turn that bitch down. Oh. Oh.
That's an X5, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's it. Anyways, where were we? Hey, where were we? Bro, or you could just do that. I need one now.
Where's me?
Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, dude. Bro. Nah, you can keep going. This shit handles. Holy shit. Alright, on the way to Denny's. Let's go. Signing out tonight here. We got the squad. We got the race cars out.
Squad.
That's all, folks. That's all.
That's all, folks.
That's all for today.